PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing INFLIGHT200's PIA DC-10 model in 1 to 200 scale. Let's get into it. So here we have our beautiful box designed with our DC-10 Series 30 McDonnell Douglas logo with the beautiful Pakistan flag in the background. Our DC-10 PIA livery. This one, I recall that there are two different types of liveries with the stars in the tail and one without the stars. This one is the one without the stars. 1 to 400 scale does have two versions because I do have them in Aero Classics as well. So later on I will be unboxing those. We have our registration, Alpha Papa, Alpha X-Ray Charlie, and then our Pakistan International logo on the bottom. As we make our way to the back of the box, we have just two different aircraft designs, Corsair DC-10, Air France DC-10. This is the 10-30 version, not the 1010 version. But and then we also have our INFLIGHT200 logo as well. So let's get into the unboxing. So on the top we have a small sticker. So here, as you can see, we have our card. I believe this is 240 pieces made. I think this is the 240th one. I'm not too sure about it, but we have our airline model and then registration and then the PIA aircraft as well. And then our INFLIGHT200 logo on the back. This is a styrofoam box because I know this is an older release. So because this is an older release, I'm not too sure if the stand had actually came with the aircraft, because when I purchased this model, there was no stand included in this bundle. But the gears are attached, including the antennas as well. So we have our one piece of packaging up top, and then we'll try to take this out. And wow. Very beautiful model. So here we have our very beautiful livery on this DC-10. Starting off with the front of the aircraft, we have our black nose and then our black paint job underneath the cockpit windows, our cockpit window design. Moving in from the front to the back of the aircraft, we have our dark green cheat line moving in all the way until the tail. Our Pakistan flag, Pakistan International name. We also have our registration on the front nose gear, X-Ray Charlie. Not much on the wings. We can also see that there is a bit of, I would say, sparkle on the engine as well as on top of the wing, but very standard on the DC-10. We have our antenna as well as our beacon light. Surprisingly, this one is a gem as well, and then the antenna is also embedded. I didn't know that the older releases had this, but definitely very outstanding. It looks like the real thing as well. So here we have our engine fan blade. I do believe this one moves as well. Yep, it does. So both the engine fan blades do move. We don't have any design on the engine cowling itself, but still a very good thing for an older release. If you guys can see, we also have our sparkle on the engine moving into the leading edge of the wing. So on the back of the aircraft, we have our registration Alpha Papa, Alpha X-Ray Charlie, and then our dark green cheek line going into the tail, our PIA name in white. Definitely detail on the engine as well. The green is a bit of a sparkle. I wouldn't say too much, but it is a dark green scheme. White as well moving into the side. And then our tail engine, very detailed on there as well. So on the back side, we have our engine tail design on it as well. It's very perfect. We have our registration and then our same PIA name on the tail, our cargo doors, front and back, and then the same Pakistan International, and then our green cheek line moving into the body, into the front. And then underneath we have just our INFLIGHT 200 logo, beacon light, antennas. Underneath we have our registration as well, but nothing on the top. And then a bit of a sparkle as well underneath the body. Either way, a very, very beautiful aircraft. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review of this beautiful PIA DC-10 model by INFLIGHT 200. Definitely a unique aircraft in my collection. I do recall when Aero Classics had released almost 8 or 9, from what I recall, different registrations. I have all of them, and I'm very much excited to show all of you guys my unique DC-10 collection. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and enjoy my upcoming daily new model reviews. Take care guys, thank you.